Hi, I'm Mike from Madness Auto Works, and today we're going to be installing a Smart Madness head unit on our 451 smart car. Let's jump into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull the center control panel out. Should come just right out. Press this tab and pull this lever back, and now you can just set this aside. And then right behind it, there is a torque spit you're going to want to remove before you pull the plastics. Once you remove that torque spit, you can go ahead and start pulling the rest of the trim out. And then there are going to be 4 torque spits along the radio. We've gone ahead and already removed these, and now the radio will pull straight out. Once you get to the back of the radio, you're just going to gently press and pull on these tabs. And now you can set your old radio aside. Now you can go ahead and install the provided harness. And then the supplied antenna adapter should fit snugly just like that. And this yellow connector will actually not be getting reused. And just tuck it away. Now you can go ahead and plug the black connector right under that fuse. Plug in your antenna. All these white ports are for options if you choose to go with GPS, USB for CarPlay. If you want to go with cell service on your device, that way you have connection no matter where you are. All of these are just options. We're going to go ahead and set this like so, and we're going to give it a test. Go ahead and drag this guy over here. Alright, so we have confirmed that it does work. We have all these options down here: navigation, Bluetooth, video, radio. You can watch, movies, listen to your radio, put on whatever music. There are multiple apps. This does run on an Android system, so you can play around with it and kind of just do whatever you would like with it. We're going to go ahead and finish buttoning this back up, and we'll get to the finished product. Now we can put our plastic covers back on. Alright, and now you can put the torch bit back underneath the radio to fasten down the plastic covering. And now you can go ahead and put your little switch panel back in. Just like that. Make sure everything is nice and snug. And you're all done. And that's how you install your Smart Madness head unit in your 451 smart car. If you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, or visit any of our in-store locations. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.